Welcome to English Listening Practice. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ben. Today's topic is ordering at a cafe.
This topic is very important because many people feel shy when they order something at a cafe. They don't know what to say or they worry about making mistakes.
But don't worry. Today, we will show you a simple, natural conversation. After listening, you will feel more confident when you order your drink or food.
All right, let's jump into the cafe scene. Listen carefully.
Hi. Can I have a coffee, please? Sure. Small or large? Small, please. And one croissant. No problem. Anything else? No, thank you. How much is it? It's $4.50. Cash or card? Card, please. Thank you. Your order will be ready soon. Great. Thanks. You're welcome.
Words from the conversation. Coffee. A hot drink. Example, I drink coffee in the morning.
Croissant. A soft bread pastry. Example, I eat a croissant for breakfast.
Small, large. Sizes. Example, a small coffee. A large coffee.
How much? A question about price. Example, how much is the coffee?
To practice, try saying the conversation out loud. You can also practice with a friend or record yourself.
And next time you go to a cafe, try using one sentence from today's episode. Even one sentence is good practice.
If you enjoyed this episode, interact with the video. Leave a comment and tell us what you usually order at a cafe.
And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the AZE channel for more English listening practice.
See you in the next episode.